I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and we're here today to share what we know about the all-new Michelin Road 5 tires. Okay, just to qualify this, I have not ridden on this tire, but I have ridden on a tire that a lot of this technology comes from, and that is the Power RS, which I thought was very, very impressive. With the Road 5, which is going to be the successor to the Road 4, which was a very popular tire, Michelin focused on a couple of key things. Wet grip, they wanted to improve that. Dry grip, and stability. Now I realize you're looking at this right now and you just heard me say they focused on wet grip, because most of us, we associate grooves in the tires. The more grooves it has, the more grip it's going to have in the wet weather. That's how we associate it mentally. And while certainly this tire does have a fair amount of siping, you'll notice it's not a tremendous amount, and it's less than we're used to seeing at the end of the day. What I find really interesting is the slick shoulder. There's a lot of riders out there that are riding on tires like the Road 4, Road 5, that want to push the bike under the right conditions. They want that edge grip that you would get from a sportier tire, say like a Power RS, right? Dunlop Q3. By doing this slick shoulder design, when you have the bike at that or near that max lean angle, you've got a lot more rubber on the road. It's going to feel more stable and you're going to have more grip. Very interesting. Also, the tread design itself, they did this so that as the tire wears, it maintains that excellent wet grip over an extended period of time. The numbers they gave me were this. They had put 3,500 miles on a set of the Road 5s in testing and compared the wet braking to the Road 4, and with that many miles on it, the wet braking was better than the 4. Okay, now let's talk tire pressure. Michelin is one of those companies that they're most often going to tell you put the pressure recommended by the motorcycle manufacturer into the tire. And if you've been riding a long time, you know that most experienced riders, they're going to tweak their tire pressures to change the performance, improve the performance of the bike under certain circumstances, right? Depending on how much load you have on the bike, you have bags full, are you riding with a passenger, what are you doing? Are you riding solo, out going through some twisties and want more grip? Tire pressure recommendation. Always start with what the motorcycle manufacturer recommends. And if you want to enhance the grip and performance, move downward in small increments, okay? Higher pressure is going to result in a stiffer feel and more stability. Lower pressure typically will bring you more grip, maybe just a tiny bit more instability, but the grip advantage is pretty nice. With this tire, I would recommend never go any lower than 28 PSI cold. So there you have it. There's what I know so far about the Road 5. If I get a chance to ride on it, we'll update the video. If you have ridden on the tire, feel free to share your comments in this video. It helps other riders out to understand, did you feel that the wet grip was better? Was the dry grip better? What kind of mileage do you get out of it? Talking about the mileage part too, comparing this to the 4, they were shooting for on par wear, okay? They didn't look to improve the wear with this tire, really. This was all about performance upgrades from the 4 to the 5. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com.